Okay. Let me just hold that on it.
She's free.
Huh?
Who is she?
That's Jasmine, Mom. I just want to get this cleaned out a little bit more. Might sting. Fucking thing would open up. Fucking thing with spray. Is that sore? Huh?
You have to take that off.
But don't interrupt me, okay? I gotta figure out what I'm doing here. You see how it goes underneath? That means it's dirt. They're getting underneath there. And I don't mean to be nasty, I'm just... Sorry, is that stinging?
No.
No? Good. I'm just gonna put this over it. Okay, lift your arm up a bit.
Yeah, down there.
The what?
Down there.
This?
Yeah.
This I'm putting on for a little bandage just for a few minutes, okay, Mom? I gotta run down to the doctor. He's probably gonna tell me to do what I was doing anyways. I've dealt with enough of these things in life. How does that feel? Okay. Thank you. I don't mean to jump on you. It's just...